Hi everyone, welcome to Enchanted Rhymes where magic meet melody. Morning, routine, song.
Wake up, it's a brand new day. Wake up, let's laugh and play. Brush your teeth, wash your face. Let's start the fun, it's a happy place. It's time to write wonder, time to rise. Open your eyes, surprise, surprise. Put on your shoes, say good morning. Jump up high, start exploring. Eat your breakfast, yum, yum, yum. Cereal, fruit, and lots of fun. Drink some milk, feel so bright. Ready to go, it's just right. Pack your bag, say bye-bye. Wave hello to the sky. Time to learn, time to play. Have a super happy day. Wake up, it's a brand new day. Wake up, let's laugh and play. Brush your teeth, wash your face. Let's start the fun, it's a happy place.
Hi there. If you enjoy this magical rhymes, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And share the videos. Your support makes our enchanted world even brighter. And remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon. Every like helps us bring more fun and songs to kids everywhere. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more enchanting rhymes from the Enchanted Rhymes.